Hello, hi. All right, so hi everyone. This is Forum Marfate Patel, Friday with Forum में, and as I promised, this is a live 30 minutes show जहाँ पे हम बात करते हैं about digital marketing के queries, questions, आपके जो भी doubt है उसके related. So do let me know guys how is your digital marketing is working. So let me just explain जो लोग हमारे साथ जुड़ रहे हैं उन सभी लोगों के लिए how this Friday with Forum goes. Every Friday this is a promise from my end to all my followers, all my viewers कि मैं हर Friday 30 minutes के लिए ये Friday with Forum एक live show करती हूँ जहाँ पे आप अपने कोई भी डिजिटल मार्केटिंग रिलेटेड क्वेश्चंस मुझसे पूछ सकते हो. लुक यू कैन टॉक टू मी ऑन वीडियो. स्पेशली इंस्टाग्राम लाइव के ऊपर मैं ये करती हूँ तो जहाँ पे आप मुझे वीडियो के फॉर्म में रिक्वेस्ट भेज सकते हैं. आई विल टेक यू ऑन माई इंस्टाग्राम लाइव वीडियो विथ मी. आप मुझसे वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंसिंग के थ्रू बात कर सकते हो. आप मुझे स्पेसिफिक डिजिटल मार्केटिंग रिलेटेड कोई भी क्वेश्चन पूछ सकते हो. आई वुड लव टू हेल्प यू गाइज. So do let me know. A lot of people have joined us. So guys, is my voice audible? Is my video and audio quality and everything? Because there is some internet issue is going on. So I hope that everything is clear and sound from my end without any interruption. It is coming to you. So do let me know how the quality is. आप मुझे सुन पा रहे हो कि नहीं ठीक से. If it is like audible properly, just write it down in a comment box that it is audible. I would get to know at least about that. So let's just wait. I mean, people have started sending me the request for the video. So let's see who has sent us a video request. So अगर आप मुझे डिजिटल मार्केटिंग रिलेटेड कोई भी लेजिटिमेट क्वेश्चन पूछना चाहते हो, कीपिंग इन बाउंड्रीज ऑफ सोशल मीडिया एंड डिजिटल ब्रांडिंग, आपके बिजनेस के लिए कैसे करना चाहिए, व्हाट आर द प्रॉब्लम्स यू आर फेसिंग, मे बी आप कोई एड्स रन कर रहे हो एंड यू वांट टू नो अबाउट दैट, एनीथिंग रिलेटेड टू दैट यू कैन डू लेट मी नो. आप मुझसे पूछ सकते हो मे बी इन अ कॉमेंट बॉक्स. बट आई वुड अप्रिशिएट कि फ्राइडे विथ फोरम ये जो कंप्लीट लाइव सेशन है, जो सीरीज है, इट इज मोर फॉर कि आप मुझे वीडियो में बात करें. लाइक इंस्टाग्राम लाइव में वीडियो रिक्वेस्ट का नीचे एक ऑप्शन होता है. सो जस्ट सेंड मी अ वीडियो रिक्वेस्ट इफ यू हैव दैट एंड आई वुड टेक यू लाइव विथ मी ऑन इंस्टाग्राम लाइव कॉन्फ्रेंस में हम बात कर पाएंगे एंड इट विल बी फन गाइज. सो oh, a lot of people are joining. Okay, it's audible. Thank you so much Janak ji for recognizing that it is audible. All right. Okay, so hi everyone. A lot of people have joined. So let's begin with the today's topic. So of course the festival is nearby. So digital branding strategy क्या होनी चाहिए? What is your strategy on this festival for social media marketing, your Instagram marketing and your क्या है इस दिवाली आप क्या plan कर रहे हो? What are the campaigns that you are planning? One thing that is there is lot of new updates are coming on Facebook and Instagram. Like every day there are some new updates are coming and ads specifically they are becoming more and more popular and restricted as well क्योंकि नए updates आ रहे हैं, नए features आ रहे हैं. So guys, if you have any questions regarding that, you can ask me. This is a special live session for all of you जहाँ पे आप मुझसे question पूछ सकते हो for your digital marketing related question and social media related questions आप मुझसे पूछ सकते हो. It's a sharp 30-minute session. यू कैन सेंड मी द रिक्वेस्ट. आप मुझे रिक्वेस्ट भेज सकते हो नीचे जो लाइव वीडियो का रिक्वेस्ट होता है, सो दैट वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंसिंग में हम लोग बात कर सकते हैं. ऑलराइट, सो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन लाइक Shanil Shah is asking my question, when your classes start for digital marketing? Shanil, very good question. And okay, so all right, I'm happy to share that and I'm happy to announce that in December 2nd week we are going to have my digital marketing workshop, which is going to be like 100% practical workshop. So guys, whoever wants to learn digital marketing practically, जो सीखना चाहता है, 8 modules, like generally we have 6 to 8 modules. So that is going to be there soon. Like after Diwali, we have plans. So we will reveal soon with the exact date and exact venue and everything on my Instagram and social media. So stay tuned for that. But tentatively, we are keeping it around December second week. So yes, Shaleen, I think you are आप बहुत खुश होंगे ये जान के that December second week is going to be there. So I'm just making an announcement here. Still, let us make more official with my post. So stay tuned on my post for that. We will make it more official announcement over there. All right. Thank you for asking this question. Anybody has any other questions? लोग मुझे especially this Friday with Forum has been planned. So because a lot of people ask me questions in my DM, मुझे WhatsApp में करते हैं, मुझे email में भेजते हैं, Facebook पे messages करते हैं. So I thought that why not to have a live conversation with all of you जो digital marketing में कभी ना कभी कोई queries है आपकी उसको solve करने के लिए. You know, your one question, शायद आपके क्वेश्चन के आंसर देते देते बाकी के लोगों को भी उसके आंसर्स मिल सकते हैं what they are looking for. So if you have any legitimate question जो I think you feel like that will be even helpful for others as well. So do ask me. I would love to help you guys. Anything in social media, digital marketing. Today's topic which I'm keeping around is festival season is on board. So yes, what are your digital marketing strategies, social media strategies for this Diwali? How are you going to increase the sales? So I'm going to talk about a little bit of new strategies which you can use it at this time. Like before Diwali, आप क्या strategies implement कर सकते हो? So guys, if you are into retail business, if you are into product based business, try more giveaways. आप ये try कर सकते हो because giveaways are very important at this time. उससे आपको फीडबैक टेस्टिमोनियल्स मिलते हैं जो बाकी लोगों को हेल्प करता है डिसीजन मेकिंग के लिए. राइट नाउ आई वुड लव टू शेयर दैट कि ऑनलाइन शॉपिंग इज बूमिंग लाइक एनीथिंग. लाइक लॉट ऑफ पीपल आर नॉट स्टिल गोइंग आउट बट दे आर keen for shopping for this Diwali. Maybe it is a retail industry, it is a fashion industry. So it's taking good curve which I am seeing. It's a very positive sign. Like after pandemic, वी कर्व लेके बहुत सारी इंडस्ट्रीज वापस आ रही है. सो दैट इज समथिंग विच आई एम सीइंग वेरी पॉजिटिव साइन. तो आप प्लीज टेक अ मैक्सिमम बेनिफिट ऑफ दिस टाइम, दिस फेस्टिवल टाइम. लेट्स सी, दिस इज अ स्पेशल सेशन फॉर वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंसिंग और हमें यहाँ पे वीडियो रिक्वेस्ट आ रही है फ्रॉम हितेश मियानी ऑफिशियल. सो लेट्स सी हितेश क्या कहना चाहते हैं. व्हाट क्वेश्चन यू हैव हितेश? आई होप यू हैव अ लेजिटिमेट क्वेश्चन फॉर डिजिटल मार्केटिंग रिलेटेड. सो लेट्स सी. Let's exit. All right, so there's some I think issue in connecting with Hitesh. So I think guys, अगर आप भी कोई मुझसे जुड़ना चाहते हो in video conferencing, if you want to talk to me over the Instagram live video, अगर आप सोच रहे हो कि आपका जो क्वेश्चन है वो इतना that can be helpful for others as well, तो do let me know, do ask me. Like this is a Friday with Forum is a special session कि आप मुझसे वीडियो में बात कर पाओ. So do come online and just send a request for the video. I'll take you on my Instagram live video like with me. All right, so Kamini is asking, hi, how can I do marketing for my school as I am in preschool? And after Diwali, we are expecting more admission. So that what can we do? Kamini, a very good question you have asked, because preschool is a very good subject to understand first. See, whenever you plan a marketing, always plan a marketing. I mean, always connect a marketing with the psychology. So जब आप प्री स्कूल का मार्केटिंग प्लान कर रहे हो, अंडरस्टैंड वन थिंग इज कि बच्चे अपने खुद डिसीजन नहीं लेते हैं कि मुझे कौन सी प्री स्कूल में जाना है. So people who are taking a decision is their parents. So their parents is your target audience. So first and always is identify your correct target audience. So in the case of preschool, for example, you have a target audience which is like parents. और उसमें भी females are more, I think, into students education. वो decide करते हैं कि कौन से preschool में उनका बच्चा जाना चाहिए. So target more females. And when it comes to education, what are the problems and what are the fears what are the parameters that parents have जो उनको decision making में help करते हैं? Figure out that more and you plan your campaign around that. For example, I think preschool को जितना मैंने जाना है, that industry has के बच्चों की safety, बच्चों की overall growth
activities, brain activities. These things are the first concern that, and hygiene, health, these are the first concern that parents have before putting into any nursery or pre-nursery, right? So, try to build your content around these subject, and have your best marketing campaign done. I think Facebook and Instagram is the best platform that would help you a lot. And you can plan even always lead generation activity and paid campaigns for that, like a sponsored ads. But one tip for you and for everybody who is watching me right now, guys, this is a master tip for everybody who can implement this. That can be, before starting any lead generation campaigns, I do believe कि आप पहले हमेशा branding campaigns कीजिए to build that trust, to reach out to more people. Like, people will see your brand first on the first go. सिर्फ एक campaign, light campaign जहाँ पे सिर्फ आप brand के बारे में लोगों तक पहुंच रहे हो, same target audience को, then you do a lead generation campaign. Like, don't ask on a first go, don't sell yourself on a first go to the people. Rather, build your brand authority and brand value first, and then ask people to fill up the form with you, and maybe get registered themselves with you. That would help you, I think. All right, so that was a quick tip for I think Kamini, who asked us for the preschool marketing strategy. I think, Kamini, hope that you will implement this, and I hope that I have answered your question. All right, guys. So anybody else who would like to ask me any questions? All right, let me have that. I think it's dark. Okay. Guys, just let me know whether I am audible, whether I is it visible for everybody? I'm so sorry for the technical glitch. It is happening. I think the electricity is something which is bothering us, but I hope that the seamless experience you have with my voice quality, at least, so that we are still like hanging out together. All right, so we have, okay, guys, so a lot of people are joining us for Bhoya469 has asked me some question. I'll definitely answer that. But before that, I would just like to mention here, guys, this is a Friday with Forum session where every Friday I do come online sharp at 6 o'clock. It is a 30 minutes live session जहाँ पे आप मुझसे Instagram live में video conferencing के through बात कर सकते हो. So if you have any questions which you would like to discuss over the video conferencing, you can talk to me. You can send a request and I would take you on board with me on my Instagram live. So जैसे कि अभी हमें request आ रहे हैं, so let's see who is sending us a request. So Bhavish is sending, Bhavish Pandey. So Bhavish, I hope you have a good legitimate question for digital marketing, and let's take you online. So guys, you can just send a request like नीचे Instagram में जो button होता है, that you can just send it, and we'll take you on board with me. All right, so Bhoya is asking how to rural area में development of digital marketing. Bhoya, it's very good thing what you are asking me. I think yeah, a lot of people had that query कि क्या rural area में digital marketing will work or not, how it should work. When you have this thing, I would say think about that कि कितने लोग वहाँ पे social media का इस्तेमाल कर रहे हैं. And the facts are Facebook is being used in tier 2, tier 3 cities, or maybe rural area में ज़्यादा use होता है rather than the urban area. So Facebook is being used more in rural area. So I think you should always think about it's a best strategy, but as you know that your target audience is rural area, प्लेटफॉर्म जो आप सिलेक्ट कर रहे हो डिजिटल मार्केटिंग का वो ऐसा होना चाहिए कि वहां पे वाइडली यूज है. फॉर एग्जांपल आई थिंक फेसबुक इज वन ऑफ द वाइड प्लेटफॉर्म जो वहां पे सबसे ज्यादा यूज हो रहा है. सेकेंड, आई थिंक कम्युनिकेशन का तरीका जो आपके कलर स्कीम है, आपके ग्राफिक्स है, आपके वीडियोज है, मे बी आपकी जो लैंग्वेज आप यूज कर रहे हो, रादर देन नॉट यूजिंग टू मच ऑफ इंग्लिश, आप उनकी लोकल लैंग्वेज में कैंपेन कर सकते हो. जो रूरल एरिया में लेमन लैंग्वेज में आप कर सकते हो ताकि दे कैन अंडरस्टैंड इट वेरी इजीली. So that should be the strategy. आप लोकल टच दीजिए अपने कंटेंट को. जो आप ऑर्गेनिक भी अगर वहां पे कर रहे हो तो लोकल टच दीजिए, वहां की लोकल भाषा में, लोकल टॉपिक्स के ऊपर, वहां के लोकल जो इश्यूज है, लोकल जो लोग हैं, उनका जो कल्चर है वो रूरल एरिया में, उसके ऊपर थोड़ा ज्यादा फोकस कीजिए. टॉक अबाउट दैट मोर. वो आपको थोड़ा कनेक्टिविटी ज्यादा देंगे. Alright, so I think this should be enough. Just do implement this and let me know कि क्या benefit हुआ आपको आपने ये tips implement किए तो. All right, guys, I was just exciting. I mean, this is very exciting. Like, a lot of people are asking me questions. जैसे कि आज post हमसे question किसी ने पूछा about, preschool के लिए कैसे digital marketing किया जा सकता है and lead generation के बारे में. And then we got to know about the rural area के बारे में किसी ने question पूछा. And I'm here to answer all of your questions only. This is Friday with Forum, that 30 minutes sharp session only for your all question answers. आप जो पूछना चाहते हो digital marketing industry में, you can ask me. I am there to answer you. It is a video session specifically. So आप Instagram live में अगर मुझसे वीडियो के द्वारा भी जुड़ना चाहते हो, you can definitely जुड़ सकते हो and I would love to answer you through that. So every Friday, this is my commitment to you guys. 6 o'clock sharp, I will be live. So let's take next question. Okay. What's organized marketing? I mean, sorry, Uday, I didn't understand your question. Please elaborate it a little bit. कि आप क्या पूछना चाहते हो? I would love to answer you for that. Hi, Anand. Yeah, hi guys. A lot of people are joining. So this is Friday with Forum, guys, and I welcome all of you on my show. Okay, so let's see. Anand Mehta is sending a request for the video. I mean, let's see what is his question. So Anand, I hope you have a legitimate question for our show.
Hi, good
Anand.
evening.
Good evening. Hi, how are you?
Very fine. How are you?
I'm good. Thank you so much. So first of all, thank you and welcome to the show like Friday with Forum. This is like 30-minute show for Instagram Live, जहाँ पे आप मुझसे Instagram में live में video conferencing पे you can ask me digital marketing related any questions. I would love to help you. So let me know what is your
Yes.
question, today's question.
मैम, YouTube ने अभी जो शॉर्ट नया इंट्रोड्यूस किया है, सो उसके बारे में थोड़ी इन्फॉर्मेशन चाहिए थी कि उसको कैसे हम लोग यूटिलाइज कर सकते हैं और उसका क्या फ्यूचर है, कैसे उसके कुछ उसके फीचर्स जो है वो क्या मोनेटाइज होंगे या नहीं होगा, उसके बारे में थोड़ा अगर आप कुछ एलोबरेट कर सके तो.
So, sure, I would love to do that. Before that, can I know more about like what exactly you are into? आप content कौन से type का content create करते हो? Are you on YouTube or not?
मेरा मैम जनरली जैसे मैंने लास्ट टाइम भी बताया था आपको कि आई एम इनटू नेटवर्क मार्केटिंग, तो
Right.
मेरा उसमें यूट्यूब में जो है वो कंटेंट थोड़े मोटिवेशनल वीडियोस रहते हैं या
Okay.
तो कोई प्रोडक्ट का कोई रिव्यू है तो उसका फीडबैक के कोई वीडियोस है तो टेस्टिमोनियल्स इन शॉर्ट वो रहते हैं, या तो कोई डेमो प्रोडक्ट के डेमोज है तो वो रहते हैं. इस टाइप के वीडियोस इन शॉर्ट मेरे रहते हैं कि जो 5-7 मिनट के वीडियोस जनरली रहते हैं और उसमें कुछ या तो प्रोडक्ट की इंफॉर्मेशन होती है या तो कुछ बिजनेस आगे कैसे कर सके उसके लिए कुछ मोटिवेशन रहती है.
Okay, that's great. So, as you mentioned about the YouTube's new feature, right? That the YouTube new innovation which is there, I would like to say, see, rather than making any judgment right now कि उसका future क्या है और कैसा होगा, I would like to stick to कि पहले हम देखें थोड़ा time उसको दे कि how it is performing. So I would just say let's just wait and watch for at least 30 to 60 days. एक बार 30 to 60 days में और देखते हैं कि how many like what type of crowd is there. First of all, any platform के ऊपर यही होता है कि which type of users are coming on board, right? Like for example, TikTok के जो users थे तो बहुत different थे, जो YouTube के users हैं वो बहुत ज्यादा different है, तो वहाँ पे कौन से type के content curators like they are getting on board. So let's just wait for that a more, और उसके बाद हम इसके ऊपर कोई जजमेंट बनाए तो कि उसका फ्यूचर कैसा होगा एंड कैसा नहीं, that would be really appreciated. But yes, I believe कि जब भी कोई नया प्लेटफॉर्म आता है you should always try it once. I don't know whether it works for you or not, you should try. मतलब बिना ट्राई किए आप कोई जजमेंट नहीं बना सकते. So if you are making a videos के जो आपके, or maybe we are making a content which you feel कि वहाँ पे it will run out good, you should try it once. Try it for at least 30 to 60 days. आपको खुद पता चल जाएगा कि ये प्लेटफॉर्म आपके लिए है कि नहीं.
या
So that is the one suggestion from my end. Like I do the same. मैं यही करती हूँ. कोई भी नया platform आता है, I try it first at least. मैं 60 days के लिए उसको try करती हूँ and I put consistently content and then how it works. Like let's see that, you know.
ओके, और मैम मतलब
But
उसका
also
ये जो है
also just one more thing to add into that is कि क्या आपका टारगेट ऑडियंस है वहां पे, वो जरूर देखेगा. लाइक डू नॉट जस्ट ब्लाइंडली गो क्योंकि नया प्लेटफॉर्म आया है तो यू शुड ट्राई. बट अगर आपका टारगेट ऑडियंस वहां पे अवेलेबल है, इफ यू फील लाइक, देन ओनली यू शुड ट्राई, राइट?
ओके ओके, यस मैम,
Yeah. So
थैंक यू।
network marketing, I feel always it's a one of the very good content creator thing. So all the best for that. आप अच्छे content create कीजिए. I think you would get a maximum benefit of social media. Like content MLM get the more always benefit of social media.
यस मैम, डेफिनेटली,
Yeah.
यस,
All right.
थैंक यू
So
वेरी
all
मच,
the best.
या थैंक यू।
All right, so that was Anand asking about a very good question, like very interesting question about the new feature. Like, so if you have any similar kind of questions, like into digital marketing, new social media platforms, new policies, maybe new ads or anything into social media platforms, just do let me know, guys. You can also share about how are you planning your digital campaigns this time on Diwali festival. Like Diwali is just like a next step. So how have you planned your digital campaigns? आपने इस बार क्या strategy implement की है? Just share with me that, and I would love to hear more about that. All right, so a lot of people have joined us newly. So उन सभी लोगों के लिए, this is guys Friday with Forum. We are like every Friday I do commit myself to come online for all of you. जहाँ पे हम 30 minutes we just take your questions. Nothing else. It's a pure question answer round जहाँ पे आप मुझसे question पूछ सकते हो. Anything you want to ask in digital marketing, social media marketing, आपके personal business के related, आपके career growth, maybe social media में, whatever you want to ask me, just do let me know. I would love to help you. Like a lot of people are sending me questions and they want me to help them out, so I would love to do that. All right, so we have 6 more minutes like here. In this 6 more minutes I would like to share jab tak like people are just hanging around, I would like to share things around like what can be the good strategy, what can be the different new strategy for your digital marketing this year, like for this festival, I mean. Yeah, because Diwali is here. So guys, I'm come up with a new video especially for the content tips like you can generate for this Diwali. So stay tuned for that as well on my YouTube channel. I'm gonna put it like in like next video is going to be that. So make sure to take a maximum benefit of that video जहाँ पे मैं बात करने वाली हूँ about what type of content you can produce this Diwali for your brand जो लोगों से different हो, थोड़ा हटके हो, you know, it's not the same like वही happy Diwali post नहीं करते हुए आप और क्या कर सकते हो. So I'm coming up with that video with the tips and new ideas for your digital campaigns. One more thing, as somebody asked me in the starting only, that when is my digital marketing training coming up? So I'm excited to share that. Yes, we are coming up with our new training with the complete new updates and a lot of new things into the training in December. So it's going to be like December second week, which we are coming up. Like if you anybody has that mindset of joining me for my training and workshops, guys, December second week that you should book for yourself. All right, so how to find specific clients for any services? I mean, I'm really sorry. I have been like, you know, you have been asking me this question a lot of time, which for which I have already DM you personally. मैंने आपको बहुत सारी बार इसका reply किया है. So please follow that. And Deep is asking now next question. Okay, Deep is commenting. Okay, you are great, man. Thank you, Deep. Thank you for your compliment. Thank you so much. So yes, we have like just 4 more minutes. And as I have always mentioned, guys, this is Friday with Forum, and you can ask me any digital marketing related question. So meanwhile, like people are thinking about their digital marketing queries to be asked, I would love to share a few things which is there in the digital marketing. So right now, like in last 1 month, a lot of new updates are there on Facebook, on Instagram, and a lot of people are coming on board. One thing is very important, guys. अब digital सबको जाना पड़ेगा. Yeah, सोशल मीडिया एंड डिजिटल प्लेटफॉर्म्स के सिवा कोई ऑप्शन नहीं है, टू बी ऑनेस्ट. वी ऑल विल हैव टू गो डिजिटल. हमें हमारी स्ट्रॉन्ग फुटप्रिंट बनानी पड़ेगी. लाइक द स्ट्रॉन्ग फुटप्रिंट नीड्स टू बी देयर. जितनी स्ट्रॉन्ग प्रेजेंस होगी उतना ही आपको बेनिफिट होगा. फॉर दिस दिवाली आई हैव अ स्पेशल टिप. इफ यू आर प्लानिंग राइट नाउ अ गुड कैंपेन्स, जो आपके ऑफर्स डिस्काउंट्स सब चल ही रहे होंगे. आई नो लॉट ऑफ पीपल गिव्स लाइक लॉट ऑफ डिस्काउंट्स एंड ऑफर्स इन दिस दिवाली. So for that, try influence marketing as well. The influence marketing, I believe, is one of the great move right now, because आप अकेले जब तक अपनी ब्रांड के बारे में बोल रहे हो, दैट इज अ डिफरेंट थिंग. बट अगर आपके साथ इन्फ्लुएंसर्स की पूरी सेना लग जाए, पूरी फोर्स लग जाए, टू टॉक अबाउट योर ब्रांड. लाइक फॉर एग्जाम्पल, यू हैव 50 इन्फ्लुएंसर्स के जो आपके लिए एवरी डे पोस्ट कर रहे हैं. मे बी एवरी वन डे दे आर पोस्टिंग ऑन their social media about you, your product, your service, your offer. That is something, one of the great thing, right? इसकी reach बहुत ज्यादा होती है. So just try this strategy. I have been trying this like from last 2 weeks and it is being very successful to me. Like trust me, मैं जो 2 to 3 brands which I am consulting right now, so उनके लिए हमने ये strategy जब implement किया है, it has given me a tremendous results. All right, so you can also try the same strategy. So I am here just sharing my own strategy which we are using it, right? So just guys use this. And last 2 minutes we have, let me see, like 2 minutes may we have any questions specific to digital marketing which I have not answered. I would love to do that first, because I don't want anybody to go like empty handed. like उनके सबके questions के answers मिलने चाहिए. Okay, so I think most of the questions के answers I have been answering, and almost everybody I have tried to answer their specific solution. So guys, if you have anything into digital marketing, social media marketing, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube marketing, just do reach out to me. Do let me know. I would love to help. This is Friday with Forum special show, जहाँ पे हम 30 minutes के लिए specially we talk about your questions, your queries. You can ask me on Instagram live by sending a video request. आप मुझसे video conferencing के through भी बात कर सकते हो request करके, and I would take you on board like on Instagram live with me on my Instagram live session, जहाँ पे आप एक कोई भी डिजिटल मार्केटिंग रिलेटेड, सोशल मीडिया मार्केटिंग रिलेटेड, ब्रांडिंग रिलेटेड आप मुझसे क्वेश्चन पूछ सकते हो. मे बी योर क्वेश्चन will be like helpful for somebody else as well. शायद आपका जो क्वेश्चन है वो ही किसी और का भी क्वेश्चन हो सकता है, या फिर आपके क्वेश्चन के आंसर करते करते मैं जो आंसर दे रही हूँ, maybe that would be beneficial for somebody else as well. So do let me know if you have anything specific that you want to know about on Facebook marketing, Instagram marketing, YouTube marketing, social media, digital platforms. Also do let me know about your camping strategy for this Diwali. आप क्या कर रहे हो इस दिवाली पे अपने digital campings में? So do let me know that as well. This is just last 1 minute we are here, and if somebody has any questions, do let me know. Okay, so Rocky, hi. Yeah, hi, you are there. I mean, I can see a lot of people are sending me hi, hello guys. All right, so this is actually time to say goodbye. Okay, last question which I can take up, which somebody is sending me. All right, so somebody is asking me about how Facebook Messenger and Instagram work together. So yes, that's a very good question. Let me see who has asked. Okay, so Facebook Messenger and Instagram together works because the new update that has come. मैंने recently मेरे Instagram और social media के ऊपर post किया था that now messengers of Facebook and Instagram has been combined. They are merged. Okay, so Facebook ने Messenger की जो application है that merge कर दी है, उसमें से ही आप एक ही application के through Facebook और Instagram दोनों के messages को आप आसानी से वहां से manage कर सकते हो. Like you can do that. So Facebook has merged that Messenger application. You can manage your all messages जो आपको DM में आते हैं Instagram के ऊपर और Facebook के ऊपर. You can reply people from there. You can manage your conversations and communications through one application for your Facebook and Instagram both. So by default अगर आपका Instagram और Facebook अगर merge है, like आपका Facebook page के साथ आपका Instagram business account अगर merge है, तो वो एक ही account से manage हो सकता है. that एक ही messenger application से दोनों manage हो जाता है guys. So do not worry about that. Just install the new application. It's a very good application, I must say guys. I'm really impressed with the new update in that. it has made a very easy life for us. हम बहुत आसानी से communication manage कर पा रहे हैं, and our response rate also gets increased by that. All right, guys. So hi Utsav, hi Anand. All right, so I'm so sorry. This is already 6:31, and we have like time to say goodbye to all of you. This is the time like where I say goodbye, because it's a Friday with Forum, 30 minutes live session every Friday, 6 o'clock sharp. So next time, please do come online sharp at 6 o'clock time पे आ जाइए और मुझसे जुड़िए, जहाँ पे आप मुझसे कोई भी question कर सकते हो social media and digital marketing related. So do let me know whatever you have next Friday तक. Stay tuned. Yes, of course, Diwali is nearby, so happy Diwali in advance, and prepare your Diwali campings in advance. Do plan all the best for your Diwali campings. Diwali May, I have seen a really good positive hope. That is something very good hope for a new which is curve. Like industries are really taking good hype. So I really wish all the best to all of you. All right, bye bye, see you, take care, stay tuned. Next Friday हम मिलेंगे with Friday with Forum में sharp at 6 o'clock. Bye bye guys.